Hello everyone and welcome to a fresh new content for the channel Pecons Fitness. First of all, thank you very much for your amazing support to my channel. Now I'm almost getting calls from so many districts of Odisha. मुझे तो पहले ये पता भी नहीं था कि ओडिशा में इतने डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं. No, I'm just joking. So the reality is it is actually very warm to find all those DMs कि भाई thank you so much. It's solving a lot of our problems. These are the rewards which actually are very very encouraging and motivating for me to make more contents which can actually help you people. So that's my attempt, and it will always be my attempt to come up with answers to so many fitness problems which you have. That was the sole objective why I am making this contents. Now it's so nice, so many people here. I did not believe this. The Instagram is flooded with a lot of DMs. I'm so happy. Okay, so today's content is going to be very interesting. It's about what a beginner should do in the first day of his gym. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic and let me help you guys to make that decision and somehow inform you guys what should be your first day at the gym all about. So first day when you get into the gym, you should straight away go to the deadlift platform and ask your trainer to tell you how to lift 200 kgs. No, I'm just joking. That should not be your first day. The first day of the gym, उससे पहले सबसे ज़रूरी क्वेश्चन होता है हाउ टू चूज़ अ जिम. तो मैं इसके ऊपर एक सेपरेट कंटेंट ऑल टुगेदर बनाऊंगा, बट उससे पहले मैं एक ब्रीफ दे देता हूँ. फर्स्ट लुक इनटू द डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर जिम. अगर उस जिम का इंस्टाग्राम या सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म सही से मैनेज नहीं किया गया है, then probably they are not serious about their business, and if they are not serious about the business, trust me, they are not serious about the services which they are offering. So my suggestion will be Instagram profile खोलिए, देखिए उनके trainers के profile क्या हैं, because those are the experts under whom you are going to get trained. If those people are not worthy enough, then probably you are wasting your money or you are paying to get injured, and it is not going to help you. So my first suggestion will be look at the social media profiles of these gyms and then get into it and then choose a gym. So when you visit the first day to the gym, you should actually identify what your strength and weaknesses are. This is the step one. How will you identify them? You need to go to the gym and ask the particular management team personnel present, or let's say any fitness trainer who's present, to actually assess what your strengths and weaknesses are. That is step one. So what is step two? Step two is to choose a trainer who can design a particular protocol for you, both a nutritional program as well as a workout designed, directed to make your weaknesses convert into strengths and your strengths to better strengths. अगर आपके trainer के पास ये skills नहीं हैं, then probably that is not a place where you should go and train in the first case. So this is your step two. Step one, identifying a good gym. Step two is about identifying what your strengths and weaknesses are by a fitness expert. Then what is the step three? Step three is executing the protocols and the nutrition plans which has been designed by your trainer or your fitness expert. Now ये न्यूट्रिशनल प्रोग्राम्स और प्लान्स को आपको ऐसे डिज़ाइन करने हैं कि उनके रियलिस्टिक गोल्स रहें. Now for example, someone who walks to me and has almost a pregnant belly, sorry I'm not body shaming, अगर कोई ऐसा बंदा है जिसका वेट बहुत ही ज़्यादा ओबीस है वो, and he's actually a lot of overweight, then I am not going to promise him that you're going to get 6-pack abs in 4 weeks. So please understand whether your fitness expert is giving you a realistic goal or not. अगर आपको उनके गोल्स रियलिस्टिक नहीं लगते हैं, then probably go check it out with another fitness expert. क्योंकि if you do not have a realistic goal, then you are going to get demotivated and you are going to leave the gym. So आपका ये स्टेप सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि to set realistic goals for yourself and being consistent towards it. So वो आप पहले करें. तो उसके बाद क्या स्टेप होगा? Introducing lifestyle correction measures to execute those steps. तो क्या होते हैं ये लाइफस्टाइल करेक्शन मेजर्स? आपके फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट का लाइफस्टाइल देखिएगा, ही वुड बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई इन योर लाइफस्टाइल व्हाट मिस्टेक्स यू आर मेकिंग. आपके एक्सपर्ट के पास इतना तो स्किल होना चाहिए कि वो आपके लाइफस्टाइल, वर्क प्रोफाइल, जॉब प्रोफाइल को स्टडी करके आपको बताए कि आपको क्या क्या करेक्शन मेजर्स करने हैं जिसके तहत आप उस गोल को रीच कर सकें. इफ़ योर एक्सपर्ट इज़ नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डू दैट, प्रॉब्ली उसके उतने स्किल्स नहीं हैं, ही डज नॉट हैव दैट स्किल सेट. सो यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे, आइदर यू गो फॉर अ पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग और आइडेंटिफाई ट्रेनर्स हु आर रियली पैशनेट अबाउट इट, एंड वो अपने क्लाइंट्स के उस पैशन को अपने क्लाइंट्स के गोल के साथ को रिलेट कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ वॉट आई वुड आइडेंटिफाई फर्स्ट, कि whether there are certain lifestyle measures or corrective measures which I need to take. For someone, let's say, who's smoking a packet of cigarette every day, अगर मैं उसको बोलूँ कि आप quit कर दीजिए smoking, probably he'll leave gym, he'll quit gym, he'll not quit smoking. Let's say someone who's taking about 5 packs of alcohol every day and मैं उसको बोलूँ please quit boozing, then probably he's not going to do it. So what, as a fitness expert, I'll tell you, start, sir or ma'am, let's start slow. And probably you need to reduce your alcohol a little bit. So मैं क्या बोलूँगा उसको कि let's say the first corrective measures for the first 4 weeks would be reducing those 5 packs to 1 and probably confining it to only weekends. For someone who's smoking a pack of cigarettes, I might ask him to reduce the numbers day by day. तो आपके फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट के पास वो मोटिवेटिंग वर्ड्स या वो मोटिवेटिंग लाइफस्टाइल्स या वो मोटिवेटिंग एग्जाम्पल्स होने चाहिए जो कि वो आपको बता सके. सो आप अगर इन प्रोटोकॉल्स को फॉलो करो, देन प्रॉबली योर फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज इन द जिम एंड प्रॉबली द फर्स्ट डे इन द जिम इज़ ऑल बट सॉर्टेड. तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि आगे बहुत सारे कंटेंट्स में बनाने वाला हूँ जिसमें हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई योर फिटनेस ट्रेनर्स, उसके प्रोफाइल क्या होने चाहिए, व्हाट आर द की फैक्टर्स टू जज अ गुड प्रोफाइल, व्हाट आर द की फैक्टर्स टू चूज़ अ जिम, ये सब प्रोफाइल और कंटेंट्स में बनाऊंगा. किसी का एक रिक्वेस्ट था कि आई शुड कम अप विद अ कंटेंट टू ट्रेन पीपल व्हाट शुड अ बिगिनर डू इन द जिम. तो उसी के हिसाब से मैंने ये कंटेंट आज बना लिया. तो आई होप दिस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू. और आप लोगों को अगर ऐसे फ्यूचर में कंटेंट चाहिए, then you will also have to support me. It is not for free. Now what it will cost you is just to press the bell icon, press the like button and subscribe my channel. I hope you people are really enjoying the videos because I am loving myself in making such beautiful content here. चलो खुद को pat on the back देता हूँ. नहीं, all jokes apart, your reviews and your feedbacks are much welcome, and if you give me more feedbacks, probably I will refine my content accordingly. So meet you guys soon with another fresh content.